back at the home of Arizona Cardinals star Adrian Peterson to install his tank. Back it up, Greg. Good. That's it. Good. Let's get a cart underneath us. Right on the cart. Just don't worry. We'll roll it in over that. We're good. We'll lift it. Watch your fingers. Tilt it back. Right, roll it in, guys.
Pull out on your side.
Okay, everybody's gonna have to lift at the same time and pull the cart out. 1, 2, 3. The cart out. And at it. There it goes. I lay it down slow. It's not down. It's sitting on the edge of the baseboard. Pull your edge forward. We're on the baseboard.
It's not gonna go.
We built the stand to fit the curvature of the wall, and it doesn't fit. Yeah, that means the tank's not gonna fit either. Coming up on tank, that's a little fly river turtle, also known as the pig-nosed turtle.
Wow, so cute.
That's gonna look really nice in the tank.
We're at NFL superstar Adrian Peterson's home installing his tank.
I think we got a problem, bro.
Is it not going in?
Is that a problem?
Oh no.
Hey, what's up, big guy?
We need to go back 3/4.
You know, my ideal is to have this tank as deep as possible.
All right, so let's do this. Why don't we get some tools in here? Let's pull out the baseboard so we can move this back. You good, AP? You like it?
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, the flex molding, I love it.
Good job, babe.
With the baseboards out,
There we go. You got it, big guy?
our stand now lines up perfectly with the wall behind it.
Ready, board?
Yeah, we're good.
That's exactly it.
But before we get the tank in,
All right, so is it all scored? It's scored, ready to be demoed.
we need to knock out the viewing window in the wall.
I got a better idea. Since you guys are about to break the wall down,
Yeah.
I think I can channel my inner Drew Brees and see if I can target practice.
You're trying to throw the ball through, yeah?
Yeah,
You ever throw a touchdown ball?
I haven't.
You haven't.
But I throw a lot of passes in practice to receivers and tight ends.
Does he catch the ball? He runs with the ball. So you know what?
Catch.
So you throw the ball? Yeah, step back. Can you hit that? Hold on, everybody run it back. Hold on, run it back, throw it.
And this is
Hold on.
practice for if I kick the touchdown.
All right, step back a little bit. Use your touchdown. Here it is. Here we go. He drops back. He looks downfield. He throws.
Now it's time to get the tank.
You count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Pull the wheelie. Nice. See that? That's called teamwork, boys. Teamwork makes dream work. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Bring it in.